Reprocessing instructions for iProphyAir. Clean and lubricate the iProphyAir as soon as possible after treatment. Failure to properly maintain the iProphyAir may cause infection or product failure. Always use personal protective equipment before the process. Remove the disposable prophy angle. Use disinfection wipes or an alcohol-soaked cloth to wipe the outer surface of the iProphyAir. Remove the iProphyAir from the tubing and take it to the contaminated area of the sterilization room. Thoroughly clean the external surface of the iProphyAir with a soft toothbrush under running water. Wipe it dry with a paper towel. Separate the iProphyAir nose cone from the motor part. Mount the spear-shaped nozzle that comes along with Panaspray and leave it on. If it's missing, you can order the nozzle using part number Z020010. Shake the can 3 to 4 times. Hold the can in an upright position. Insert the spear-shaped nozzle in the drive air tube of the motor and spray for approximately 4 to 5 seconds after covering the insert joint head and repeating the process if necessary until the outcoming oil is completely clear. Mount the E-type nozzle adapter, part number Z019090. This goes on top of the spear-shaped nozzle and is used to lubricate the back of the attachment for the main lubrication. Note: make sure this O-ring is not missing. If it's not there, you'll need a new nozzle adapter to make sure the connection is perfectly sealed. Cover the nose cone properly using a paper towel. Insert the nozzle to the back of the iProphyAir nose cone all the way in and spray for 2 to 3 seconds until the clear oil comes out of the head. If you notice black debris coming out of the head, repeat this process again until the discharged oil is completely clear. Autoclave sterilization is recommended. Insert sterilizable components into a U.S. FDA-cleared sterilization pouch compliant to ISO 11607-1. Seal the pouch. Use this chart for temperature and timing. Immediately after the sterilization cycle, remove the iProphyAir from the autoclave and store in a clean, dry location. And the process is complete. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.